you ready?
KB Buster V embodies a five-generation legacy of elder preservedness and love of coffee, maintaining deep roots connection to the Kota Baru neighborhood and a community of genius relationships. The second is the Initis KB present the neighborhood while Buster sanctioned the coffee making process. The VPay homepage to World Coffee, former owned by the same profession, imposing a tradition of quality. KB Buster targets a division of customers based in Kota Baru, embracing high-quality product and infinite operation tailored to individual spending plan.
The next part is entrepreneur's background. Inci Ruza Ridwan bin Muhammad is a 42 years old Malay male from Kota Baru, Kelantan. He transitioned from engineering to entrepreneurship. He founded KB Browser V, and also his journey reflecting a strong connection to his hometown and showcase his religion, spirit, and history. After the year 2015, oil and gas company collapsed. Mr. Ruza transitioned from engineering to the coffee business. He began by vending coffee roadside, driven by necessity and enthusiasm. Recognizing a lack of specialty coffee shop in Pangkalan Chapa, he saw a market opportunity. With careful planning and security funding, and he opened the KB Brewster V Cafe. His dedication led to the coffee expansion. Now, approaching 13 branches, he opened it. Mr. Rosa's success story highlights his ability to combine market opportunity with personal passion.
And as for me, my name is Nora Eleni bin Fakrizwan, and my matrix number is A238266. And I'm going to talk about company background for the KBBooster.B cafe. KB Booster Cafe is one of the local and the oldest cafe that is very known in Kelantan, which also have other franchise like Wo Cafe. KB Booster has their own unique name. The uniqueness of the KB Booster name has their own stands, which KB stand for coffee bag, which is iced coffee. Meanwhile, Rooster is stand for brewing the coffee, which is the main ingredient in the coffee shops. And last but not least is V. V stand for the Boat Cafe. There used to be one of the owners franchise, but then was sold to the other owner in 2023, which is last year. For the KB Booster target market, KB Booster owner never put their target market to students because their price is not suitable for the students, but they set their target market for the factories worker, lecturers, and family, which their target market for student only 10%. Last but not least, the owner started doing his business with supplier to get the best ingredient for his coffee shop.
Mr. Ruza starting with offshore work. He always going abroad to work. According to Mr. Ruza, neither he or his family come from an entrepreneur's background. Mr. Ruza started by opening a small stall. He's selling various types of coffee, and now he started open his own store using his own savings. He did not have a role model. He started the coffee business because he always traveling abroad for work, so that he being able to see the culture of drinking coffee and getting idea to bring that culture into his own country. The culture of drinking coffee in Malaysia is still developing. At first, Mr. Ruzal thought whether to sell coffee or tea. He chose to sell coffee because he can sell different types of coffee at a high price.
Research to understand the target market, customer needs, preferences, and behavior. He also analyzed his competitors and identified that market trends in Malaysia that customer will come to his cafe whenever they want freshly made coffee. Secondly, Mr. Zahiri also used high-quality products to make his coffee and use Pinterest when designing his cafes to make sure his customers are comfortable. Next, Mr. Zahiri identified potential risks and developing strategies to mitigate them. For example, he acknowledged potential risks of building other branch in some area and make sure his branches are built in this another area. Mr. Zaidi had explored and took opportunities for scaling his business. He diversifies his products to not only coffee, but also Western food to satisfy his customers' preferences and needs. Next is intention of being entrepreneurial. According to Mr. Zahiri, he intended to be an entrepreneur when he lost his job and had to rely on his own savings, with his savings being the rest of being empty. Day by day, he started to sell coffee in tiny kiosks by the roadside. Now, with little beaches of cafes under him, he has become one of the successful businessmen in Clanton. Next, we're gonna go with parents' background. As stated by Mr. Zahiri, his parents does not have any background in entrepreneurial and only have normal jobs, so he has to rely on himself and cannot ask his parents their experiences in starting a business. He also has to step by scratch his business with any experiences from himself or his family to teach him about intricacies of the industrial works.
5.0. The entrepreneur at the time started the business. 1. The motivation of an entrepreneur in starting a business. The main motivation that often drives KB Brewster Coffee entrepreneur to start the business is opportunity to realize their dream and interest. The desire to achieve financial freedom is also a strong motivation. 5.0.2. Setting goal when setting up the business. These goals are usually divided into several categories. The first is financial goals, such as a KB Brewster Coffee entrepreneur starting the cafe might set a goal to achieve sales of Rm 15,000 ringgit within the first 6 months. This financial goal help them focus on achieving the result needed to sustain business operator. 5.3. Available resources before starting a business. Financial capital, business plan, education or training and advisor and mentor support. Any network, supplier and distributors such as KB Brewster Coffee, entrepreneur in the food industry may hold meeting with raw material supplier and distributor to ensure a consistent and high quality supply. Fellow industry, entrepreneur in the culinary field perhaps join a local culinary association to share knowledge best practice.
Today I want to present the entrepreneur at the first time he started the business. 5.5 is controlling in the early stage of the business serious owner. The owner of the KB Brewster Cafe said that the challenges of opening store are serious. Strict control in the early stage of the business is essential for ensure long-time survival and success. Entrepreneurs usually pay attention to the most important things in financial management. KB Brewster Cafe entrepreneur said he has to closely monitor cash flow, ensure all transactions are properly recorded, and control the expenses, avoid deficits. They may use accounting software to help with financial management. 5.6 is risk orientation at the start of the business. KB Brewster Cafe entrepreneurs have different approaches to risk depending on their personal tolerance and business strategy. Risk orientation at the start of a business usually involves first some risk. The first risk to take a high risk such as KB Brewster Cafe entrepreneurs take the risk of taking out a large amount of capital when they are want to start a KB Brewster Cafe business. 5.7 is business plan made by entrepreneurs. A business plan is an important document to help entrepreneurs plan, run and grow their business. First is executive summary. For KB Brewster Cafe is the introduction. Their coffee shop called KB Brewster Cafe, a place they offer a choice and friendly atmosphere suitable for all the type of customers, including student, worker, and local resident. Next is KB Brewster Cafe mission to provide a unique relation experience of high quality food and breakfast by offering excellent customer service and a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. 5.8 is entrepreneur is ready or not to start the business. Entrepreneurs are often driven by a strong desire to create something new, and this is especially through the KB Brewster Cafe entrepreneurs. Their innovation stems from the ambition and develop unique and innovative product or service that stand out in the market. This drive to innovate is not just about novelty but about addressing specific market needs and gap with creative solution.
Okay, for the conclusion for this assignment is KB Brewster's success came from the unique brand personality, characterized by a contemporary, hyper-aesthetic that set its apart in the crowd coffee market of Kota Baru. The cafe stay ahead by offering a creative menu that blend classic coffee, offering that trending cuisines, ensuring its meet involving customer preference and keeps return coming back for new experience. Its prime location in a bustling area of Kota Baru, along with extended operation hour, maximum foot traffic and conversions, contributing significant to its success.